Okay, so next we need to complete this home file. Let's go ahead. In home file, navigation is end, then banner is start here. After end of the banner, model is starting. We have written, don't write anything after this line. We are not going to do that. After banner, there should be one about us section. So you will write a section tag here. And under the section tag, we will be displaying the about us using some different color combination. Class equal to p-5 padding 5 bg-primary and text-white. Come inside, you will follow the division. Class equal to container. Inside the container, division class equal to row division all hyphen lg hyphen 12. H2 you can follow. Class text center we can write for college 12. Text center, everything will print in the middle. Right here about or welcome. First query digital media. Below you will write a paragraph. Inside the paragraph, you will print some 4-5 lines of text. Okay, let's complete this row. Let's share the home file in the chat. I will give the home file in the chat in case if anything is missing. In yesterday class, someone have missed out anything, you can use this file, home file. It's available in your chat. Okay, let's come to the browser. See how that look. Should look like this. First inquiry digital media. Instead of text, okay. So what you do is for the H2 you write class text center. For H2 you can write the class text center. For H2 you write a class with text center. And for paragraph You will write class equal to text justify. Class equal to text justify. Class equal to text justify for paragraph. Class equal to text center for section tag. Hope ready? Your page look like this. Text center. One is the text center, and this is text justify. Text justify is not working, I guess. Okay, we have a class. Hold on. Yesterday we have written a class called justify content center. Justify content center also text justify we wrote here. It should capture the left align and right align. It should capture the left align and right align. No, it's not working. Not working. So what we can keep is text center. Text center. Maybe that class is not there. Getting like this or something different. Okay. Then after that, we can display the photos as a services. The one line is coming extra for me. I'll remove that line. Okay, so extra line I deleted. Go next. So this paragraph is end. The row is end. Here the row you can end. Row end. After the ending of the row, we'll create a next division. Class equal to row and empty 3. Margin top 3 or maybe 4 you can write with the sufficient space. After that, come here, write a division. Class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 4, call lg4 plus mb2 or maybe mb3, and inside you write a photo. First h4 you can write, call software services, this is, and below to that display one icon, class equal to fa hyphen desktop, and fa hyphen forex, and text hyphen white. Anyhow, everything will come in white only. Text white. After that, write a small tag, and within the small tag, write some text, 3-4 line, so that it will look like a service block. Save it and check once how that looks. Okay, hope ready. So that should look like this. Even service will come here. So it should be text center, then it will look better. Text center we need to write. So why it is coming the left side? H4 we have, and then I we have, and the I and a small tag both are in line because of it's coming the same line. So for the row class, you will write text center for row class. So inside the row, everything will come in middle, and this a small tag you can convert into any other tag, maybe p tag, because a small tag is an inline tag. So icon and a small tag both will try to come in same line. If you follow inside the paragraph, it will go to the next line. And you will write here call for end. For end. Working, coming in the center. Yes, no, can reply. It should be like this. Desktop icon that should appear in the middle. Now suppose in my page there is little extra line. These 5 characters are extra. I'll delete that. These 5 are extra, so I will delete that, and then we'll save it. See how that look again. See, that look like this. Next, after that, so many people was there. 12, 13, all are disappeared somewhere. Copy this line again. Just after this. See, confusion will happen definitely if you are not doing the practice. Bootstrap is a so interesting subject. You can write here customer support FAFA desktop will replace by FAFA headset. Okay, and check headset will appear. Something like this. 2 icons. Add one more. Call LG4. That is called something. Hiring. Resources. FAFA search. Okay, so search, support, and then software services. In the search block, you will find 3 boxes like this. So this section is over now. Okay, this section is over now. In that, what we can do is small changes if possible, because it's looking very dark and complete full background is difficult. The section color we have given the BG primary, correct? BG primary you have given section color. Text change to BG hyphen light or BG hyphen light. Yes, BG light. So background will not BG light and remove the text color. BG light. In the section we have written the BG primary, change to BG light. BG light. Check now. So this color is okay. White and text is different color. The background was very dark. Now in this we can change the icon. This heading should be prime blue color. This all the heading will be blue color, and the icon will be different color. Then it will look more better. Okay, so let's come to your welcome first inquiry digital media. You have written text center. You can write here text hyphen primary. So it will come in blue color. Text primary will come in blue color. Change that. Text primary will come in blue color. Coming. Next, after that, all the text you can convert into primary and all the H4. Below we have written software services. Class equal to text primary. Come down below again. Customer support. Class equal to text hyphen primary. Again below we have hiring resources. Class equal to text primary. Okay, ready? Next, after this, check in the browser how that look. The text is blue color and the other heading is blue color, other are black. Now icon we have, so red, green, blue we can change icon. So for first icon, desktop we are given right here, text hyphen warning or maybe success. For the second H4 you will write, the second icon you will write text hyphen warning, text success, text warning. Let's write that. Text success, text warning. Okay, next after that, the third icon should be text hyphen which color, info and primary both will be same. Keep a different color, danger you can write. Red color will come. Text danger. Text danger, red color will come. So this way we can see the icons, different color combination. Okay, hope that section is ready. Look similar or different? And reply once, yes, no. Then we can add the next section. Next section will be for the project, recent project. So this section is end. Create the next section. Section class equal to P5 M5. M5 will represent margin 48 pixel from all the side. M5 will represent 48 pixel gap from all the side. After that, bg-primary background will come in blue color. Then if you are writing any text, text should be in white color. Text should be in white color. After that, what should be next? Align should be center. Text hyphen center. Text align should be center. Next, after that, you will go inside and you will write here a division class equal to container. M5 is wrong. Hold on. M5 should not be like this. It should be MT5. From top side there should be gap. Okay, and then P5. All the sides should be 48 pixel gap inside. Container. Inside you are going to write a division class equal to row. Inside you are going to write the division class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 2. Inside that imgsrc equal to 1.jpg class equal to img load img float. Now this one keeps 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Total 6 photo will appear in one line as a our product. 4, 5, 6. Okay, hope ready. Getting 6 photos in one line. 6 photo is coming in one line. For the photo, you can apply rounded class. Okay, here become more gap. You can see this gap. Is more gap here. We can reduce little. Empty 5 you have written. Empty 3 you can write. And then everywhere we can apply a class called rounded. ROUNDED, rounded class. Everywhere we can apply a rounded class. Rounded, 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 and rounded. Everywhere we can apply the rounded class. So little curve will get applied. Little curve will get applied. Hope ready. Little gap got reduced. Everywhere rounded class is applied now. Next, after that, we can come down and this section is end. After this section, we can create a footer block. Footer is the tag name. You can use footer directly. For footer, you can write bg hyphen class equal to bg dark text white p5 text center okay bg dark text white p5 text center. You will follow inside the division class equal to container inside you will follow the division class row inside you will follow the division wall hyphen lg hyphen you can write how much 12 is also okay. Inside the 12 first h 5 you can write first inquiry digital media second paragraph contact us next after that email hr.infocampus@gmail.com. This way. Next paragraph. We are in social media paragraph, you will use the social media icons. I class equal to FAB, FA hyphen Facebook, FA hyphen 2x. Next, LinkedIn. Next, Twitter. Next, Gmail. Instagram. Check now. M1 we can write M-1 4 pixel gap from all the side. So this is the footer section. Complete black color will come. Text will be white color. We paint in the middle and everything will be okay. Okay, hope ready. Icons are coming in the down. Okay, icon is coming. So your home page design is ready now. In that you got the banner, model, different type of icons, products, and the footer with the everything. Next, we need to work on next file. That is called register, contact, and then services. Okay, so shall I share the file again or working? Let me share you again. In case if any error, you may replace the file also. Okay, so next file, as per the header, you can see here, next file name we are given here in the heading. The next file name we are given, one is called service.html, right? Create next file service.html. Service.html. Ready? Service.html. Take the copy of home file. Take the copy of home file. Take the copy of home file. Next, from the home file, you have taken everything and we pasted under which file? Service file. Let's come out. See, in service file, also we have the home and services. In the service file, we have a link called home and services. Active class is applied for home here. Can you see that? Active class is applied for the home. We need to cut from the home and apply for services. So active class you cut from the home link. In service file, active class cut from the home link and apply for service link. So that you will find our services is coming in white color. So that you will find our services is coming in white color. Our services will come in active color. Here, we will go to the service file. You can see service is highlighted, home is in highlighted because of this line. The active class, this active class was written here earlier. I cut from there and added to the service. Ready? Come down. You have banner somewhere, delete the banner. We have written banner start, banner end, delete that banner part. We have written banner start here, banner end here. Delete the banner from which file? Service file. Okay. Delete the banner from the service file. After that, we have written a heading called, check now how the page is looking. The page is looking like this. This heading we can change to our services. Welcome digital media first inquiry we have written. Change to our services. Our services. Remaining all let it be same. Clear? Next, after that, after that, After that, your home file should be working well and services file should be working well. Let me share the services file. We have removed the banner and changed the heading. Not much thing. We have removed the banner and we have changed the heading. Services file came to your chat. Now, next after that, we need to create the next file. That is here contact.html. Create the next file, contact.html. Contact.html file we can take, create, and we can take the copy of service file. Create a file contact.html. You can take the copy of service file because header footer will be same always. Take the copy of service file and which menu will be active now? Now which menu will be active? Contact. You cut from the service and apply to contact. The contact menu will be active now. Okay, now in that contact.html file, in contact.html file, we will we will delete this all section. Project section, let it be in the down. We will delete this. So what we will do in that, come there, delete everything from the first row. First row itself you delete. Okay, and second row also you delete. Only you will have a section tag. Okay, see, last we have like this navigation and section. After that, this one as a image block. Modify that, let me know. The section tag, modify that. Yeah, anything? Just now you can let me know after modification. Okay. Now come inside, follow a division, class equal to row, class equal to row. After that, inside the row, follow a division, class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen. How much will give? Give as a 4. 4, 4, 4. In the first 4, write as a H4 our office address. Okay, last 4, middle 4, write send your message. Send your message. Message. Last 4, quick contact. Contact. Quick contact. Sit now. Anything? Four, 4, 4. Office address. Send your message. Quick contact. It is here. Now in that, in the all 4 blocks, we will display the different type of data. Office address, write a division, class equal to border, P4, rounded, keep inside as 24, second floor, very complex, outer ring road, Bangalore, 560037. This should be within a paragraph. Okay, this should be inside a paragraph. You should not write without paragraph. Keep inside a paragraph. Okay, check once also. Any address you write, it's not necessary it should be the same content. You can write any content. Okay, I'll write as a bg-primary and bg primary and text white. It will look more attractive. bg primary text white. Just write that. bg primary text white. Okay, it's clear. After that, this one, the section tag you have written, you can write empty5 also. So from top also you will have very good sufficient gap. From top side we will have sufficient gap. Okay, next after that, so this look like this. Some gap happen here on the top. Can you see that? Okay, let's do one thing. BG light we are given. Remove the BG light. Not required. Because of BG light, the gap is visible on the top. Remove the BG light. BG light to remove. Without BG light now, this one will not be visible. You will not have the gap from the top. Gap will be there, but it will not be visible. See. Now in the middle four, you are going to create a form. Div class equal to mb3 class equal to mb3 label full name and one text box, input type equal to text, class equal to form control, full name, mobile number, email ID and message and one button. Full name, mobile number, email ID, and then message. Data type will be number, data type will be email, and here it will be a text area open, text area close. After that, one another button, text center, the text center will be having one button, Send a message. That should look like class equal to btn hyphen primary. Hope ready. You got the contact form. Quick contact, keep in the blue color and display 23 mobile number. Quick contact. Right hand side, last block. Write a division class equal to something P4 BG primary text provide and again rounded also keep inside while number 841 60608 in the first paragraph. Second paragraph, one more mobile number 879246207. One more paragraph, 9740557058. Email ID hr.infocampus @gmail.com. It will come in the right hand side. Okay, ready? Check now. Something like this. Now you have a register page. Quickly you can create a register page. You can take the copy of contact. Create the file, register, and take the copy of contact. You can send me the file also, register file. Okay, created register file. You can give 444 and inside the middle 4, this kind of structure you can use. You can use card also. You can use card also to create a right. Register file is ready or going on. So what we created, let me create also a file register.html. Register.html. In that, the register link will be hyperlinked. The register link will be active. Register link is active. And the first 4 you delete, not required. Last 4 also you delete, not required. Let it be middle 4. Inside we can write here called register. Register and text center. Text icon center. And for You can write here offset 4. Offset 4. So it will leave 4 from left and it will leave 4 from right. It will leave 4 from left and it will leave 4 from right. It will leave 4 from left and it will leave 4 from right. And it will appear in center. Message you can convert into address. And button send message convert into register. Simple. Once the design is ready, same design will be available. So we will check now. Not ready, register file. Something like this, basic page. Login already you have as a pop-up window. So no need to do anything in the login case. Login file is ready. Your contact file is ready. Service is also ready. Then your home is also ready. The well-designed template. Okay, now I'll send you the photos. Assignment, 13-page assignment. You can try that. 13-page assignment. I will send in the chat. Try that. Project pick. Project pick. Design complete photos, all the photos. 13 pages are there in that zip folder. Okay, you are logging the where system. You download, check once. It's visible.
Great.
13 pages are there in that. You can download that, extract it, and let's do that. See you tomorrow again. 11 pages. 11 pages.